Hi everyone, my name is Fabio Romano and this is my final project for CS50, Introduction to Programming with Python. The code I wrote has the purpose to help classical dance teacher to develop choreographies, but also to implement new moves for a list from which the choreographies will be made. The program consists in four sub-functions. The first one of which the user will choose what to do with the code, if to generate a new ballet or if to add move to the list move. In the second one, the program will open a file, in particular the file containing all the moves available to that moment, and the third one will be used to add moves to the ballet, while the first and last function is used to create a choreography using the ballet moves into the list. Let's have a look to user choice. This function allows the user to choose what to do with the code, if to generate a ballet or to add an additional move to the available list. There are two ways in which the user can choose. It is possible to run the program with a command line argument, otherwise you will be prompted with an input request. The code allows also to make a mistake in the command line, and in that case it just says you didn't use it. File opening is the simplest function of the code and will make the move list available to be used. Add moves will implement the list of moves the program is using to generate the ballet. The list is based on a list of dictionaries with move and length as keys. If you, for example, find a new move still not present to the list, you can add it, making it available for future choreographies. If the move already exists into the list, you'll be informed of it. Don't worry about the order. This function will capitalize the move for you, returning a sorted list. Now, let's make a ballet. If you type ballet, or more simply B, the code will make a ballet for you. First of all, this function will be called by main after asking the user how many ballets the user wants. If more than one, the function will iterate, keeping track of the repetition, even in its request to the user. You'll be now asked how long do you want the ballet to last. It then generates a sequence of random moves till their length will exceed your desired time. The program is now printing the move sequence, while writing it on a new unique txt file. Be careful in generating too long sequence, or you risk to dance all the night. The main function will take care of organizing the workflow, going into the direction of creating the ballet or improving the moves list. To conclude, the libraries list with sys to handle the command line arguments, JSON to properly format the moves list, random to generate the choreography, and also to name the ballet files, plus patch to simulate the user input into the test.